Hi, this is Sania Malhotra.
I'm Fatima, and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
You guys, I think, gelled very well together as well.
Yeah.
That's what we saw on Coffee as well. How important was that? Because you guys are playing sisters and who have created history and who are coming from a background which is... I actually visited Balali before the marriage. We went and I interviewed Geeta and Babita in their akhada.
Oh wow!
And yeah, so I just saw the entire bonding that the two sisters
They are
have
very
amongst
close.
the
Yeah.
So Geeta was very particular about that we should have Babita in it as well, and she was in Delhi earlier. So how important was it for you guys to actually bond in personal life as well, to just showcase that on screen?
It happened organically, yeah. So that wasn't on my mind or in or I didn't have to do.
We have to be bonded.
Yeah.
Right.
We became friends from day one of the auditions.
Yeah.
Though I was also auditioning for Geeta.
Correct.
Fatima was also auditioning for Geeta at that time. I wasn't auditioning for Babita till then.
Right.
And we used to help each other out after the audition. We used to go together for the audition on her scooty. I used to pillion. I used to sit behind.
Right. Vespa, I believe.
Vespa. And
The whole world knows that.
Yeah, now everybody knows.
so we used to go together, and it actually helped.
You
For
can
the
see
we
it
didn't
on
do it for the
screen.
character,
But you can
But
see
it-
that bond.
yeah.
Yeah, it is definitely very clearly
It's
there.
genuinely there. Like I think I found a soul sister
No.
in her.
Right. There was a time
As
that
a
people were
co-star.
thinking that maybe you guys are dating each other as well.
Yeah.
Right.
Because we spend
That's
so
why
much
I use the term soul sister, not soulmate.
so that everybody knows
Yeah.
it's clear.
It's sister.
All right,
Sister relationship.
You have this wonderful line, क्यों फुदक कर धड़कनों की चल रही है गिलहरियां. Beautiful song actually.
Yeah, I love that song.
And when you just maybe enacting that song, and for any young girl, she may be having aspirations, she may be having other in fact maybe the matters of heart as well, and how she's being curbed to just stay focused. Somewhere we can feel that there's maybe like a human negative side as well of Mahavir Phogat is coming across, and how maybe the girls, they're resenting in a way as well. Do you think that that'll make it even more human maybe, and more real in a way as well for viewers?
Of course, because those are real emotions, and I think everybody goes through that phase.
Yeah,
I
in
went,
that age, yes.
I went through that phase myself. I went to a boarding school from, for a very short period of time. But when you enter a new space and a completely different space, you get enamored. Yeah, you want to just be a part of it. You want to fit in, or होता है कि वो एज में आप fit in करने की कोशिश करते हो. You sometimes over the period of years, you also change as a person. You're more assured and you're more confident about the kind of person that you are. But at one point, you want to fit in, you want to do what other people are doing. So, but these emotions, these kind of rifts that you have with your family, it's real.
It's real.
I mean, I'm sure everybody must have gone through that phase where you rebel, or when you feel that your parent is not understanding what your emotions are, your sibling is not understanding what your emotions are. But I think everybody goes through it. I think people are going to relate to that.
People are going to relate to that. And हर जो चीज इनका ध्यान कुश्ती से हटावेगी, मैं उसका that's like my God, like it's like really हानिकारक बापू in any sense of the word. In fact, I asked Geeta and Babita that, do you think that it's like हानिकारक बापू is like really apt? So they said that we are what we are because of him. Actually, and हानिकारक बापू is not all that हानिकारक ideally. In a way he was. So how personally when you just look at something like this, that मेरे सामने जो उसको मैं हटा दूँगा, that's like really weird in a way.
Aggressive, yeah, very aggressive.
That
but that's his character.
That is his character, yeah.
Right. Okay, now a lot is being said about the physical transformation. You had an injury, and which must have been tough as well. The training must have been, and we see that where that comes from in Coffee with Karan while doing this training. But I think the language must have been equally tough. It's not easy to get that nuance right.
Yeah.
Especially Haryanvi, because Haryanvi they have a way with.
Yeah. Also, I'm from Mumbai, so for me, I'm used to listening to Marathi around me.
जी.
I have not heard ऐसा हरियाणवी मेरे आसपास कोई है नहीं, तो मुझे reference पता ही नहीं है, तो मेरे को थोड़ा difficulty हुआ. Actually, when we were auditioning on the workshop के एक दिन पे, they were like कि आपको जितनी भी हरियाणवी आती है आप बोल दो, और मुझे पता ही नहीं हरियाणवी क्या होती है, तो मैं दूसरे लोगों को सुन रही हूँ, and मैं मतलब I'm getting very intimidated because I don't know what to do.
Right.
But that's when I asked Sania for help. And
I'm from Delhi. And
Right.
तो मेरे को सुना वैसे हरियाणवी और फ्रेंड्स भी थे.
Correct.
तो जो बात करते रहते थे पुलिस वाले वहाँ पे हरियाणवी में ही बात करते, तो मुझे आइडिया था. तो एंड हमारे जो ट्यूशन हमें देते थे हरियाणवी में,
Right.
सुनीता मैम,
yeah,
तो
she really helped.
yeah, she really helped.
And Kripa Shankar ji, I think you guys owe a lot to him in terms of
Yeah,
physical conditioning and
All
everything.
of it.
Though, yeah.
You like
The
to say
whole
something about
wrestling part actually majorly because wrestling helped us get into the character.
Correct.
Yeah.
We used to watch wrestling videos. We used to watch Kripa sir doing wrestling. And I think it's because of him we were Geeta and Babita in
Right.
the film.
Also,
Like we looked like wrestlers. We used to walk like wrestlers. We used to stand like wrestlers. It's
Ji.
because of our coach.
yeah, and I think to wrestle for 8 months, it's very, you need that one person who drives you to do that.
जी, जी.
Although we had our goals set कि हमें इस तरीके का दिखना है, तो हम लोग बहुत एग्रेसिव थे उसको लेके, तो हम लोग अपने आप को पुश कर ही रहे. बट वो जर्नी या तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकती है या तो एक बहुत ही बोरिंग जर्नी हो सकती है. बट वो जर्नी को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाया सिर्फ कृपा
When you
शंकर
don't
सर
know कि तुम्हें अभी आगे जाके कभी wrestling करना नहीं है, you don't have to.
ने. Give your 100. No, but
ऐसा,
हाँ.
पर ये था कि for him we were not actors. We were his students. We were wrestlers.
Correct.
कभी he has never treated us as actors. He was never ऐसा कि तुम लोग मूवी में आ रहे हो, तुम गीता बबीता करोगे, तुम एक्टिंग करोगे, लोग तुम्हारी मूवी देखेंगे. नेवर.
Right. That's what he said in the making as well.
हाँ, बिल्कुल
That they were
रेसलर्स की
always
तरह
treated
हमें
like,
बिहेव
yeah.
करते थे हमारे साथ. जैसे अपने नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट्स के साथ हमें भी डांट पिटती थी, हमें भी सुनाते थे, हमारे साथ मजाक करते थे.